Whoa.
How is it?
Whoa. Is there meat inside?
Yes, there is a meat.
What?
Selam.
Selam.
Senin adın kim?
Benim adım Yuji Natsuma.
Mening atım Nurziya.
Өте қуаныштымын.
Мен де өте қуаныштымын. Өзің жайлы айтып бересің бе, Yuji?
Ben Japonya'dan geldim. Ben video түсіріп тұрмын. Ben 25
Жаста.
Ben Kazakça dilini öğrendiğinde endi ғана бастадым. Ben Kazak'tan söylemin.
Қазаққа ұқсайды екенсің.
Ұқсайсың.
You look like Kazakh.
Ben Kazak'қа өте ұқсаймын.
Yuji, қазақ тағамын дәмін татып көрдің бе?
Маған ұнайды.
Ұнайды.
Маған ұнайды.
Қандай тағам ұнайды? Which one do you like?
Men Kürt.
Жақсы көремін.
Жақсы көремін. How do you say let's go?
Okay.
Başladık.
Бастайық. Бұл қауыртпа, немесе хворост деп атаймыз. Бұл қуырылған нан, яғни үстіне тәтті қанттың ұнтағы себілген. Yuji, дәмін татып көрсең болады.
Бастақ. Not katı.
Not қатай.
Not katı. They're very soft. I like the texture. I really like how it melts in the mouth. This one?
This is бұл бауырсақ.
Bağırsak. Okay, this is very similar to a bread in Japan. It's like made out of rice.
Oh, really?
We have this similar bread which is made out of rice. The texture is very fluffy.
Yeah.
It reminds me of the Japanese bread.
Okay.
It's like a donut. Жақсы көремін.
Yeah, it's actually like a donut.
How do you say it's very tasty?
Өте дәмді.
Өте дәмді.
Okay. Келесі. Бұл көже. Nauryz көже.
How do you say cheers?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ас болсын.
Whoa.
How is it?
Whoa. Is there meat inside?
Yes, there is a meat.
What?
Yeah. You can read here. Let me read it for you. Like there is Ahjay, Qazaq.
There's meat inside.
Yes, this is Nauryz көже. We drink this for the celebration of Nauryz.
This tastes like, I don't know, ayran mixed with some weird tasting things. That's very squishy. But I like it, but it's a very unique taste. I would give this to a friend just to see his reaction. Because it's very interesting.
Yeah. But there's a belief that when you drink Nauryz көже on Nauryz, you get 1 year older.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So I'm 26.
Yeah. Now you're 26.
Then, Jimmy Alte, right?
Yes.
Jimmy Alte, Dastam.
And now you're older. Okay, what's next?
What
Келесі.
next? Oh, yeah, this one.
Okay, so this is Qızıl ırımşık. Qızıl ırımşık. This is also a dairy product. Süt. It's like a cottage cheese, but added with sugar.
Very squishy.
And also sweet.
Sweet.
Tətli.
I really like it. There's a lot of interesting texture.
Yeah.
This is very unique in general. I think I've never tried this before. This kind of, it's very milky. It's like a sponge, you know. Like when you squeeze it, like the thing comes out.
Maybe this is different.
So how do you eat this? That?
No, we usually cut it, but we don't have a knife, so you can maybe try that. Shint.
It's like flavored sand. But really nice. Flavored sand.
Okay.
It's like I'm eating sand, but it's very tasty.
Okay.
It's melted in your mouth. Very nice. I really like it.
Ағанына қуаныштымыз.
Magan unaydı. How do you say it's very tasty?
Өте дәмді.
Өте дәмді. How do you say?
Өте дәмді.
Өте дәмді. Өте дәмді.
Yeah.
I would give this to a friend just to see his reaction. Because it's very interesting.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't be able to drink this every day. What
Келесі.
next? Oh, yeah, this one.
Yes, this is. What is this called? Okay, so this is Qızıl ırımşık.
It's very
Does
squishy.
it remind you something of Japanese?
No.
No? Tofu? No?
No. This is very unique in general. It's melted in your mouth. Very nice. I really like it.
But sand doesn't melt. Sand doesn't melt.
Sand doesn't melt. Yeah, exactly.
It melts.
First I'm eating like sand and then it melts.
Yeah.
You know, I eat so dirty. Sorry.
It's okay. You can clean up later.
Man. No.
Koje.
Unaydı.
Yuji Koje надо.
Жақсы көремін.
İşte.
Пошли.